Hi everyone, welcome to CipherWrite. What you see here is your text as you write it, but this is how it looks in our database, completely unreadable. That's because every word is encrypted on your device before it leaves it. Nothing is sent in plain text. We don't store encryption keys, so even we can't read what you write. Your thoughts stay private by design. If you want to learn more, you can read about this on our landing page. And if you have any questions, use the Contact Us form below or email us directly at cipherwrite@gmail.com. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to log in. I'm already logged in, so I land directly on the dashboard. This is where all my projects live. I've pinned the important ones here. Some of these are my personal diaries, where I write down my thoughts. Doing this regularly has genuinely helped improve my mental health. You can also use CipherWrite to write long-form content, like a book. For example, I've already started writing this one here. One thing I strongly recommend is using focus mode. It gives you a distraction-free space, and you can collapse anything you don't need. And if you want help refining your writing, AI writing assistance is right here for grammar, clarity, or even changing the tone. Apart from writing, CipherWrite also comes with a full set of productivity tools designed specifically for writers. You get an overall to-do list where you can see everything you need to work on in one place. But instead of a flat list, tasks are organized into groups, so your work stays structured and easy to manage. Each group is completely customizable. You can name it anything: chapters, revisions, research, publishing, or even just ideas you don't want to forget. CipherWrite doesn't force a system on you. You build one that fits how you think. Creating a group is simple. You just type a name and it's instantly created. No setup, no friction. To help you get started, we also include predefined groups that are especially useful for writers and authors. These to-do lists work at multiple levels. There's a global to-do list for everything you're working on, and there are also project-level to-do lists, so each project can have its own tasks, goals, and progress. This makes it easy to move between big-picture planning and focused, project-specific work without losing track of anything. And beyond productivity, there are settings like strict mode, which you can explore to fine-tune how focused and distraction-free your writing environment feels. Let's move on to one more AI feature. This feature helps you brainstorm ideas and notes in one place. You can use AI to explore thoughts, expand rough ideas, and organize everything without leaving your writing space. It's built to support your creativity, not replace it. Apart from that, there are important security features available in the settings. For example, you can enable two-step verification, so an OTP is required whenever someone signs in from a new device. You can also revoke all active sessions on other devices, giving you full control over your account. CipherWrite is built with a privacy-first mindset and will continue to improve over time. Try it at CipherWrite.com.